This video covers the ALEX topic, creating a table for a linear equation. So a linear equation is a function in two variables, x, y, of the form y equals mx plus b, or ax plus by. They both have a y, they both have an x, right? And then to find given values for y, we can substitute in values of x. We're building up to this, but it's important to note that these graphs look like a line, which is why they're called linear functions. So for example, given that y is 3x plus 2 and x equals 4, we're going to find y. So we're going to use substitution to solve for y. So when x is 4, what is y? That answer is an ordered pair, right, of x and y. We could plot that. So I have y equals 3 times 4, which is my x, I'm substituting, plus 2. That means y equals 12 plus 2, so y is 14. So when x is 4, y equals 14, and if I wanted to, I could write that as an ordered pair. It's going to be on our on our graph eventually. We're building up to that. Deep breaths. So let's go ahead and fill out a table for a linear equation. So given some values of x, we're going to solve for specific values of y. We're going to do two examples of this as we build our way up to graphing. So exciting. So I have y equals 4x plus 1. I want to complete the following table. There's supposed to be a y right there. But we're going to go ahead and complete this table. So I have y equals 4x, but my first x is negative 2. 4 times negative 2 plus 1. Y equals negative 8 plus 1. Y is negative 7. Okay, so when x is negative 2, y is negative 7. If I was looking at a picture of this graph, that would hold true. Next, I have a 0. So let's switch colors so we can make sure we're keeping our work organized. I have y is 4. Come on, pen, work. 4 times 0 plus 1. Well, 4 times 0 is 0, so I'm left with just 1. So I know that when x is 0, y is 1. Keep going to fill in this table. I've got 2. Y is 4 times 2 plus 1. Y is 8 plus 1. So y equals 9. So when x is 2, y is 9. You can kind of think of this as we're finding ordered pairs that are solutions to this linear equation. Again, we're building up to that, but we want us to get really confident finding values of y given an x and vice versa. Last but certainly not least, in red, y is 4 times x, which in this case is 4 plus 1. Why is it not working? Y is 16 plus 1, so y equals 17. Is our final ordered pair in this table. Let's solve another example. So let's let y equal negative 6s minus 1, and we want to complete this table. So first I have y when it's negative 5. Y is negative 6 times negative 5 minus 1. Y is a positive 30. Two negatives make a positive. Minus 1, so y is 29. Next, we've got negative 1. I should probably switch colors, huh? Y is negative 6 times negative 1 minus 1. Y is 6 minus 1, so y equals 5. Next, we have 0. Y is negative 6 times 0 minus 1. Negative 6 times 0 is just 0, so all I'm left with is minus 1. Then last, in orange, which is my favorite color, y equals negative 6 times 1 minus 1. Y equals negative 6 minus 1, so y is negative 7.